up, guys? Ryan Rigg here, the host of your show, Ryan Vlogs 2. Not the number 2. Not like you're going to watch this vlog, but TOO, like in addition. Like also, I actually had to go back and watch old videos to figure out what the intro was. I know it's been too long. Before I get into like what today's video is about down here at Caffeine and Octane, America's largest monthly car show, I wanted to give you guys like a personal vlog to talk about like what's been going on, where I've been, what I've been up to. So if you're interested in that, drop a comment down below, let me know. Drop a like on the video, that'll let me know you're interested in that, because we really do need to talk. But enough of the personal stuff, let's just get into a good day. I'm out here. What's up, little brother? Hey. Pounding that rice, hey. Pounding that Rice Krispie treat. So we're down here, Perimeter Mall in Dunwoody, Georgia, right outside the city of ATL, Atlanta, for the Caffeine and Octane, the monthly car show. I have not been for like 5 months. There's a video on the channel that's 5 months old that I did last time I came here. So we're here now. Set my alarm for like 5:15 this morning so we could get in line. It's like 6:30 right now. Oh wow. Look out, street speed 717. The crazy guys in Corvettes. Watch out for the Mustangs, those crowd killers. Oh, busted. Oh, that was quick. That didn't take long.
That was Giovanni.
So we're just waiting in line here to get into the mall, which is right there. We're behind this Cam GTO, which is extremely loud. It sounds great though. Tons of cars already here. The idea with this, you got to get here early if you want to get parking. Like I said, I'm with my little brother. I think we're meeting his crew. Bill Proper.
They ain't here yet.
They're not here yet? But we're going to try to get, I think, save a spot or whatever. It's almost daylight. The sun's broke just a little bit. But should see some cool cars today. This is like an crazy amount of cars you'll see today.
That white car right there?
Yes.
You see it? That's a Type R.
I do see it. Civic Type R, that brand new one. Wow. Is that another one right behind it?
Yes, actually. Two white ones.
Oh,
Two.
wow.
I think that's
Is that another one right there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Is that another one?
That's a black one? That's a blue one and then a black one right there. So there's like six Type R's.
6 of them, right? Well, that's why you guys can't buy a Honda Civic Type R, because these guys bought them all. But we're going to get in. Oh, shout out Nate Shot. What up, G-Wagon?
That was some 80-year-old lady.
A nice car, though. But yeah, we're going to get in here, get parked. I brought the drone. Hopefully we'll get some good shots today. And we're going to make a fun video of it. Like I said, guys, I'll deliver that more personal, intimate vlog about what's going on. But I want to give you guys something fun today. I couldn't fall asleep till like 2 last night. So I'm sure when I get home I'll nap, then edit this. But you guys are going to come along and we're going to hang out for an actual vlog. I know you guys are probably like, did this guy die? No, I didn't die because I'm here now.
It is mine for the taking. Spending our time living I've made up. I need to wake up.
Oh, it's so cool. Illinois. Shout out to Illinois. Wow. It's a beast.
Holding my breath until you're gone. Anywhere that is far from you. You only wanted me to fail. Oh, I'm this way because of you. Fought every day to overcome.
Thank you. You're cuter. Yeah. Just kidding.
He's up there. He's famous now.
No cabs for me. When I was looking the other night, well, I just couldn't find anything.
Hope you guys are enjoying the show so far. Gotta head back to the car, grab some sunglasses, because now that it's sunny out, it's super bright. Lots of cars out here, lots of people. Huge turnout compared to the event I came to 5 months ago. Sitting here at the, like I said, it's the Perimeter Mall in Dunwoody, Georgia, right outside the city. But we're walking back to the car, grab my Mountain Dew. Kind of breaking a sweat a little bit. It's getting warm out here. Need them shades. Need to fly the drone too. Seen a few drones. Saw a Mavic. Saw a Phantom 4 Pro. Usually there's a couple people like Inspires out here that work for the event, Caffeine and Octane, because this is on the Velocity channel on television, which is epic. Nice little Corvette. SRT8 Chrysler 300. Always a fan. This is the first time you guys are getting to see the white sunglasses. Actually lost my black ones in May. My buddy and I went to a Cardinals-Braves game down here in Atlanta. He came down from Springfield. And believe it or not, after 4 years of owning the black Oakleys, I lost them. And so my mom, kind enough of her, got me these white Oakleys for my birthday. So it was like a late birthday gift. Ended up getting them, it was like the end of May, I think, or June. So, check out this track car here. It's been gutted. With the epic wing on the back here.
He needs to change his tire. There's no tread on there. Flat.
Fellow camera guy.
Oh, they're handcuffs.
Lewis. Part of the Built Proper.
But it's always up.
That Built Proper crew.
I think that's just the...
What's up, fellas?
What's up?
I've seen these cars before somewhere.
A lot of books. It looks nice though. They're just washing your car. I've been able to eat soup.
How long you guys been
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you, for a moment even that I can feel you. All that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. See you, for a moment even that I can feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Voices getting nearer, heart is pumping, thoughts are...
Another successful drone flight. I think we're about to take off and go get some food. Below this popsicle stand.
See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Thoughts are running wild. We gotta get things going. Now we gotta feel sampling.
Whoa, it's a little dark here. And we're pulling up at the Cracker Barrel to get some food. I know the vlog was not like a lot of talking, it was more showing and clips. So when I get home and edit, I'll make it, try to look nice to you guys. But like I said, the vlog that I'm gonna be doing more personal about what's been going on with me, why I haven't uploaded and things like that, be looking for that. Drop a like on the video, leave me a comment if you're interested in that, because like I said, I got some things to share with you, a more personal, intimate vlog. But we're pulling up the Cracker Barrel. They are packed. Sunday morning at 10 o'clock. We've been up since 5 a.m. Fell asleep at 2, so we're on like 3 hours of sleep. It's hot. We're tired. We're hungry. So I'll probably end up eating and then drive home and then probably take a nap and then jump on the Mac and start editing. But I hope you guys did enjoy the vlog. If you did watch it all the way through, you're super awesome. Give yourself a pat on the back. Leave me the code word down below, Lamborghini, and I'll know you watched today's vlog all the way through. Do appreciate your support. Apologize for the lack of uploads. I will explain that in my next like personal, intimate video. But just want to do this because it felt good to me, so I hope it feels good to you. I'm sure you guys will be excited to see a new video in your inbox. I'm equally excited about making one. I felt really good today. Flew the drone with my little brother, out seeing cars. Just, I haven't felt this good in a long time. So I'll talk more about that in an upcoming video. But please drop a like on the video. Leave me a comment down below. My brother, he's going to be uploading some videos soon because I think he's going to be building a custom gaming PC. But guys, I'm Ryan Rigg, the host of your show, Ryan Vlogs 2, not the number 2. Not like you're going to drop the code word comment Lamborghini down below because you should. But TOO, like in addition, like also. Again, just drop a like, leave me a comment down below. I love you guys. Thank you for sticking with me. What's up, brother?
ATL.
Oh no, he did it. That's alright. I'll be cutting that out.
No!
Or bleeping it. Because I try to keep it family friendly. But I love you guys. And we'll chat soon.